Again I am back with another video. You have to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. You have to look at the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 2. You have to divide this quadratic equation by 2. That is 2x square divided by 2 plus x divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 will be 0. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It will be x square plus, you can write it as 1 by 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what you will do, you will apply a rule here, add and subtract 1/2 of coefficient of x का whole square. Now add and subtract 1/2 of into coefficient of x का whole square. You have to determine this value first. That is 1 by 2 into what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is also 1 by 2 का whole square. It will be 1 divided by 2, 2s are 4 का whole. You have to add as well as subtract this number to the quadratic equation. That is x square plus 1 by 2 into x minus 2 plus 1 by 4 का whole square minus 1 by 4 का whole square is equal to 0. We can bring changes here so that the simplification becomes simple. X square, write this x first, x, then after you will write this 1 by 2. Then after you will write 1 by 4 का whole square and you will transpose these two terms. It becomes 1 by 4 का whole square. This minus 2 will be plus 2 will become plus 2. You will write here. You will make formula here a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to multiply this term by 2 and you have to divide it by 2. Already the denominator is 2. When you will multiply, when you will keep another 2 here, it becomes 4. You can write here x square plus 2 into x into 1 divided by, you have to multiply this 2 with another 2, then it becomes 4 plus 1 by 4 का whole square is equal to 1 square will be 1, 4 square will be 16 plus 2. My dear students, if you look here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it will be a plus b का whole square. In place of a it is x and in place of b it is 1 by 4 is equal to, now you will keep the denominator as 1 here. You will apply a cross multiplication method here. 1 into 1 will be 1 plus 2 into 16 will be 32 and the denominator will be 16. You will keep a raised power here. X plus 1 by 4 का whole square will be 33 divided by 16. You will write it as x plus 1 by 4 का whole square is equal to, you will write it in another form, under root of 33 divided by 4 का whole square. Because this square and root will get cancelled, it becomes 33 and when you will multiply this 4 with 4 it becomes 16. Now you will transpose this term. It becomes x plus 1 by 4 का whole square minus under root 33 divided by 4 का whole square is equal to 0. You have to transpose this term. It is positive here. When you will transpose it, it becomes negative. Again, it becomes identity here, a square minus b square. The identity a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. In place of a it is x plus 1 by 4 and in place of b it is under root 33 divided by 4. You can write it as x plus 1 by 4 plus under root 33 divided by 4 a plus b into a minus b. X plus 1 by 4 minus under root 33 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Now you can simplify it. X plus 1 plus under root 33, denominator will be 4. The denominator for the both terms will be 4. And you can write here x plus 1 minus under root 33 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Now take either case here. X plus 1 plus under root 33 divided by 4 is equal to 0, comma x plus 1 minus under root 33 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Transpose this, it becomes x is equal to, it becomes minus 1 minus under root 33 divided by 4, and it will, the another term will be minus 1 plus under root 33 divided by 4. Or you can write it as x is equal to minus under root 33 minus 1 divided by 4, and x is equal to under root 33 minus 1 divided by 4. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation. I hope you got the concept, you have understood it well. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.